Window frames are an essential part of your home's structure, affecting its energy efficiency, aesthetics, and security. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, where high temperatures and intense sunlight are common, choosing the right window frames and having them professionally installed can make a big difference in comfort and cost savings. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about window frame installation in Gilbert, from materials and styles to the installation process and maintenance tips. Choosing the right frame material. Selecting the right window frame material is crucial for homeowners in Gilbert. With the area's hot desert climate, certain materials are better suited than others. Here are the most popular choices. Vinyl. Vinyl frames are affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, making them a popular choice for Gilbert homes. They resist fading and warping, even under extreme sun exposure, and are excellent for insulation, helping keep your home cool. Aluminum. Known for its durability and strength, aluminum frames are resistant to cracking and warping. While they may not be as energy efficient as vinyl or fiberglass, many aluminum frames now feature thermal breaks that help reduce heat transfer, making them more suitable for hot climates. Fiberglass. Although more expensive, fiberglass is highly durable and can handle Gilbert's fluctuating temperatures without expanding or contracting. It's also energy efficient and can be painted to match your home's color scheme, offering flexibility in both style and function. Wood-clad. For those looking for a traditional or natural aesthetic, wood-clad frames combine the look of wood on the interior with a weather-resistant exterior. However, wood requires more maintenance to prevent warping and cracking in Gilbert's dry climate. Choosing a frame material that can withstand high temperatures and reduce energy loss is essential to maximizing comfort and minimizing cooling costs. Window styles for Gilbert homes. Once you've selected a frame material, it's time to choose a style that suits your needs and complements your home's architecture. Popular window styles for Gilbert include single-hung and double-hung windows. These classic styles offer versatility and simplicity. Single-hung windows open from the bottom, while double-hung windows allow both the top and bottom sashes to open, providing excellent ventilation. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are ideal for larger openings and provide an unobstructed view. They're easy to operate and perfect for contemporary or modern homes. Casement windows. Hinged at the side and opening outward, casement windows are energy efficient and ideal for capturing cool breezes, making them a smart choice for Gilbert's hot climate. Picture windows. Picture windows are fixed and do not open, providing expansive views and allowing natural light into your home. They're energy efficient and pair well with other operable window styles. The right window style can enhance both functionality and appearance, so consider how each type will fit with your home's design and your lifestyle needs. The window frame installation process. Proper window frame installation is crucial to ensuring your windows are energy efficient and long-lasting. Here's what you can expect during the process. Initial measurement and assessment. A professional installer will measure the dimensions of each window opening to ensure a precise fit. They'll also inspect the condition of the current frames and surrounding structures to identify any issues that need addressing before installation. Frame removal. If you're replacing old frames, the installation team will carefully remove them without damaging the surrounding structure. This step ensures the new frames will fit securely and function correctly. Preparing the opening. The installer will clean and prep the window opening, addressing any signs of damage, rot, or moisture. A clean, stable opening provides a strong base for the new frame and prevents future issues. Installing the new frame. The frame is placed into the opening and secured tightly. The installer will ensure that it's level, plumb, and square, making adjustments as needed. Proper alignment is essential for smooth operation and energy efficiency. Sealing and insulating. Weather-resistant materials, such as caulk or expanding foam, are used to seal the gaps between the frame and the wall, preventing drafts and moisture from entering your home. Final inspection and cleanup. After installation, the team will inspect each window frame to ensure proper operation and sealing. They'll clean up the area, leaving your home ready to enjoy your new windows. Maintenance tips for window frames in Gilbert. To keep your new window frames in top condition, regular maintenance is essential. Here are some tips to help. Clean frames regularly. Use a mild soap and water solution to clean vinyl or fiberglass frames, while a soft cloth or brush works well for aluminum frames. Avoid harsh chemicals that may damage the material. Inspect for air leaks. Over time, weather seals may deteriorate. Periodically check for drafts around your window frames, especially after extreme weather changes, and reseal with caulk or weather stripping as needed. Lubricate moving parts. For windows that open and close, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks and hinges to keep them functioning smoothly. Protect against sun damage. If you have wood-clad or painted frames, consider adding a UV protectant sealant to prevent fading or cracking under Gilbert's intense sun. Window frame installation can significantly enhance the comfort, efficiency, and value of your Gilbert home. By selecting the right materials and styles for Gilbert's climate and working with a professional installer, you'll enjoy beautiful, energy-efficient windows that withstand the elements and add to your home's charm. Whether you're upgrading for energy savings, curb appeal, or better functionality, a high-quality window frame installation can transform your home. Connect with a reputable installer in Gilbert to explore the best window frame options for your property and ensure a successful installation.